Hear that? Yeah, yeah. There's a sound that people follow. Soft and sweet, no fear, no sorrow. Pull you in, you don't resist. Feel so right, you can't dismiss. Step by step, they fall in line. Never question, never mind. Eyes ahead, don't look around. Just keep following that sound. Feels like freedom, feels like peace. But it never really ceases. Lead you farther than you plan, till you don't know where you stand.
Follow the sound.
Don't think twice.
Feels so good.
Feels so right.
Step by step.
Lose your way.
Didn't know.
You drift away. That melody ain't what it seems. Not as harmless as you think. It ain't random, it's designed to put control up off your mind. You think choice, but you live. You think alive, but you fade. You think you're free, but you're bound. Often following the sound. Pull, slow, deep, now, no, stop, lost, now. Look around, you too far. Don't know how you got where you are. What once felt light and clean, now you see what it really means.
Follow the truth.
Not the sound.
That's the way.
You turn around.
Follow the truth.
Not the sound.
That's the way.
You turn around. You want to lead the life. You were led away from it. Too far. Then another voice cut through. Not as loud, but it's true. Not demanding, not control, but calling back your soul. That's the voice you almost miss. Why you follow counterfeit? Truth don't force it, reveal what's fake and what is real. Turn back, wake up, hear truth, stand up. Not every sign you hear is right. Some lead you straight tonight, but truth will always call you home, even when you feel too gone.
Follow the truth.
Not the sound.
That's the way.
You turn around. Not everything that sounds good leads you somewhere good. Hear that?